there drummers! In this video I'm going to show you how I, as a drummer, found a way to play the cajon to keep the drum feel. So I play with sticks and with my feet. But most importantly, I only have to carry 2 bags. In this video I will show you the 5 steps I took to do this. Have fun! So, I was a drummer. I played in a few bands, I did some shows and I really liked it. I started a new project with a friend, but my drum kit didn't match the sound we wanted to make. So I bought a cajon. This is the Slagwerk CP150 X1 Walnut Edition. We did some rehearsals and some shows and I played with my hands just like this. But I found out after a while my back was starting to hurt. Because I was sitting like this all the time. So I thought something needed to change. So after a while I found some brushes online. You can find the link in the description where I bought these. So I can sit straight now and play the cajon with these brushes. And I can find some new sound. But I missed something. My feet were still not used. So, now I got a bass drum. This pedal is by De Gregorio. I hope I pronounced it okay. I had another one before, but it was one with a cable. And it didn't work that good because the feel wasn't right. You know, this one is kind of like a normal bass drum pedal with a spring here and here one, and it's really fast. You can adjust it also to change how loud it is. For example, this or this. Here is a little bit of tape. Because when I was recording my cajon, I didn't want it to make a little. It makes a little bit of noise, so I didn't want that part. But it works great. So after a while using this cajon, this setup, I still miss something, right? I missed the hi-hat feel because I was playing with both brushes on my cajon. Online, I found from Slagwerk also. It's called a Heckstick. Normally, you put it here on the side or this side, doesn't matter, and you can play it with your hand. But I had a little bit of fun with it, and now I play it like this. I put it here on the left, like this. So now you can play it with your brushes like a hi-hat. See? So finally I bought a foot tambourine for Milo. I thought I have 1 foot left I don't use, so let's try it. And I really like it because it gives an extra sound. Mostly I use it when I play the 2 and the 4 on the snare drum. Well, you can just listen. And as an extra tip, you can also experiment with other percussion stuff. For example, I bought also from Mino this shaker, and you can use it if you play maybe some softer songs like this. You can combine it also with your other hand on the hi-hat maybe. So this is my setup I mostly use when I play live. I really like it because I can use both my feet and my hands like I did at my drum kit. But also it's lightweighted and I only have 2 bags, so I can put my cajon on my back and the other stuff in the other bag. And it's just, I can walk through shows, I can go on my bike, I can go with the bus. I love it. So this was a quick tour in the 5 steps of how I as a drummer play the cajon now. In the link in the description you can find all the links of where I bought all this stuff, so you can buy it also if you would like. If you got some comments or questions, just put them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Rock on!